Hey there, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and welcome to this week's unboxing video. So I got a message from my friend Ross, and he said, you know, Bobby Legs, I got a watch here that I want you to take a look at, and I kind of want to gift to the channel as possibly maybe a giveaway to one of your subscribers. And I was like, man, that's really, really generous of you, man. You know, and it's guys like Ross who just donate stuff or lend stuff in for review that really, helps me put out content consistently. And I really, really appreciate all that and all you guys for doing that. So he's lending in, well, not lending in, he's giving to the channel a watch that's actually pretty much in demand or has had a lot of buzz in the last month or so. Let me see if I can do this without, I'll break out the knife, what the hell. Yeah, it's the Tissot. And which Tissot is it? Let us see which one it is. Oh, yes, it's the PRX. Oh man, I couldn't believe it when he said he was going to donate this to the channel, and we're going to do a giveaway. This is going to be awesome. So I'm going to do a review, and I'm going to give this away to one of you lucky subscribers. So awesome. Thank you so much, Ross. Really, really appreciate it. Great guy. He's lent in. What has he lent in? He's lent in a Stova diver. I think that's it so far, but we're incommunicado a lot. We both like German watches, and just a great guy. And so he's got this other watch that he said, hey, do you want to check this one out and possibly use it as a giveaway as well? I'm like, sure, why not? This is a Weber. Not too familiar with this brand. But I said, sure, why not? Let's take a look at it. And I think it has it's kind of like a unique watch here. Here's a folder here. Yeah, look at this thing. Wow. Super interesting. Looks like it's possibly a loomed dial, I would imagine. Maybe not. I don't know. Really, really cool. Comes in this NATO here, black NATO. And another NATO. Let's put this one on wrist. There it is. Very nice. Awesome. Well, Ross, thank you so much for donating these two watches to the channel. And soon after the review, we'll be doing some giveaways. Very, very excited about that. Love doing giveaways. Promised you guys I'd be doing more often. So anyway, thanks for hanging in there. And I'll see you guys in the next video.